Hey, I want to introduce you to something I'm calling the Raft Creativity Challenge. Now, this is for students who want to get better at drawing. This is for designers in Innovative Arts class. And what we do is we keep all of the old rafts from 3D prints that we're making. So we're 3D printing, we're keeping these old rafts because they make such interesting shapes. And what we do is we take a raft. You don't have to pick a specific one. You don't have to have an idea. Just walk over to where I have them in the classroom, grab one. We're going to trace it on the paper. So once you've traced that on the sheet of paper, take a look at it. Now, the ideas that you might have here can be different than the ideas you have here, can be different than the ideas you have here and here. Now, if you don't have any rafts, I have a PDF linked down below where any teacher could just print these out and use these weird shapes as a creativity booster. I recommend that a student just gives it a try. You can start putting eyeballs somewhere. You can try to make, maybe this is a nose, maybe this is here's the eyes up here, and this is the tail end of some weird looking worm. If you put it like this, we start getting totally different ideas. And as you draw one out, do the best you can to partition it out and get the spacing right and make it look like you meant to make it this shape. And then trace it another time, and then trace another time, and then trace another time, and try different ideas, try similar ideas. The very first time that you try this out, you will not get the world's best drawing. Over time, with practice, with some perseverance, you'll start being able to see things that are really creative that no one else would think of. And this creativity challenge is really fun over time for the designers to get their skills going. So I'm going to show you some of the examples that other people have made. One thing I would recommend is drawing one, and if you like your character, try to make the sister or the brother to that character, or the father or the mother, or make family of it. Make other of that species or other cartoon characters that are similar. You could grab a different raft and try to make its best friend, for example, and you could start using the shape of the eyeball to help them match a little bit. But you can do all sorts of creative things by starting with such weird shapes. I'm going to show you a few more examples. That's it for today. I hope you have a good time. I hope this challenge helps you or your students do really cool stuff, and bye for now.